Okay guys, seems like it's a really good day today, so sorry about the messy hair here, but yeah, we'll have a journey today. So I'm trying to see, I'm parked right now waiting for Ernest. So he's gonna come with me to go check out this car. I've been wanting this car. Well, I used to have one, but it's a coupe version. I'm excited for this. So I've been looking for one for such a long time. So, and I'm finally, well, we don't know yet. So I'm finally gonna take a look at one, and this one has a really good price in it. But we'll see what the catch is and see if it's even legit. So, but yeah, we can't tell until we get there, right? So, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and get this thing squared up, and hopefully we can grab it today. Cross our fingers, guys. Cross my fingers. So let's go ahead and do this, and yeah, peace. Got a nice scenery here. We're in the countryside to go look at this car. Damn, super country. How do you feel, dude?
It's fun.
It's fun,
Let's
right?
do it.
Let's go. We're almost there, guys. Oh, guys.
The back patio.
Yeah, just rebuild it. Oh, starting off, let's go check out the interior. All right. Okay, it's a nice little manual. Okay, then we got these guys right here. All right, it's got this aftermarket steering wheel. I don't know if I want to keep that, but at least it's there. Got a spare, so better than nothing, right? Okay, it's fairly clean. It's fairly clean. It's not bad at all. Not bad. Got the seats. Comes with this. I don't know what this is, man. I think it's this. Probably eBay stuff, but we do have the harness right here, the harness bar, and definitely can keep that. That would be nice. The back is no interior, but it's all good. I'm not too worried about it, guys. As long as the car is straight, the body's super straight, guys. There's no dings except for just like a little bit of like, of course, the it's all oxidated already. I can tell the clear is already out, but nothing that I can fix, so I can definitely work with that. And okay, that's good. It's attached. The back, the trim, usually they're all gone already, but this one's still there, and it opens. Okay, everything looks dry. I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. This is definitely a good project to have. You know, it's not much to work on really though, but I just pretty much I already have my vision. I already got my vision. I already know what I want to do with this car, and I think it's gonna be a nice little pocket car. So yeah, there she looks. There it is, guys. It's gonna be that. Another on that side. I'm going to close this down too as well. It's a complete car, just not running. And I think this is going to be a good project, guys. I think it's going to be a good start. So I can't wait. I can't wait. Just get this thing over. So tomorrow will be like the towing guy is going to come out. So unfortunately, the towing guy won't be coming in today. He'll be available by tomorrow. So I might have to come back and just get it, you know, get everything done. But yeah, we're going to make the deal and get this thing out of the way, and yeah, time to haul and just wait for tomorrow. All right, bro. Thanks, Ernest. Shaking hands right here. We're good. I officially own one of these. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. It is official, guys. Official. Sick. Dang.
See you in the car.
Yeah, good.
Your letter's in the back, bro.
Yeah, I'll just leave it there for now. It'll be okay.
It doesn't get wet.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, man. Ernest, I appreciate, man. Thank you for coming with me. Thank you.
Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. It's been a lot of help with me going through the process on this one. So, yeah, I just can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. I mean, you know what? I've been looking for one of these. I want to get back in the game. So, yeah, guys, so it's official. Here it is. Got myself. Okay, it's a 99 Honda Civic hatch, and everything else is like, it's super stock right now. It's on a single jingle right now, and I'm still trying to get things planning out with this car. Well, I haven't started yet, but I know I have something in mind. And I know if I want to get back into Hondas again, I wanted to get like a hatchback. So something a little bit slight different, you know, than usual. So I think it's been over, wow, like probably about, I would say about almost 20 years since I had a Honda. So I think this is going to be a good project here, guys. I don't know. That's it for today. So I'm going to go ahead and come back tomorrow and get this thing. Unfortunately, the tow truck guy, he won't be in until tomorrow. So we'll be continue on again. So we'll catch up. Peace. All right, guys. We're back. This is the second day. We're actually getting my car towed, my EK. All right, got the tow truck right there. And it's funny because there's a story here. A few months back, I bought a rear valance from a random guy on Facebook Market, and guess what? Randomly, just today, we just realized my boy Russ right here. He's my tow guy right now. Russ, it's crazy, but I've met him before, and that's why we're like, dude, you look so familiar. Did you sell me your old Valence before?
Yeah,
and it's like,
Valence,
dude, it was him.
240.
And so, guys, let me know. I'll put the link down below. He's the tow guy right here, man. He's all over. I mean, he's all over the place in the Northwest. So
Yeah,
you know,
need,
hit him up.
Oregon.
I'll put the link right here. You know what I'm saying? Just like how everybody does, right there. Right, that's where you want it. We'll put it right there, guys. So you know, hit him up and all that. I'll put it down. So yeah, he'll give you a good deal. Thanks, my friend. We'll take care of this. And we got the same. Hey, we got the same idea too with the car. Right?
Oh yeah.
Don't tell him yet. Don't tell him yet.
No,
I'm not gonna tell him.
It, no.
You know, so we got the same idea. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna get this thing going. This is perfect, bro.
Yep.
I mean, all right, ready? 1, 2.
Yeah,
I like the
trusted
light
this.
more smooth, dude.
Yeah.
Because
It's on.
I'm very good at gauging ground.
Wore my last pair too.
Oh,
I'm never
man.
breaking in brakes again.
Yeah,
Bro, you got to keep in touch, man.
I will.
All right?
Yeah, I gotta watch the project.
Yeah. Shit, I got so much project right now. It's fucking funny, man. The fucking R32 has so much fucking rust, dude. It's not even funny.
Hey, did you see the green one that just got sold for? I can't say it right now.
No, you can't say it. Just I'll bleep it. Don't worry. No.
They gave us an Audi to do that one.
That's crazy.
That was the trade for that.
Nice.
Sorry, guys. I'm just doing a B-roll. Don't worry. It'll be bleep.
I traded my. I'm getting the '98 trailer for $2,000.
Oh, that's not bad.
Is that the one you're grabbing?
What?
That's the one you're grabbing?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. You have any pictures?
Yeah, I got pictures.
I want to see it. Oh yeah, official. Yeah. Representing Tacoma.
Tech Town,
Thanks,
baby.
guys. Thank you,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Support local.
I appreciate it, man.
Always
Appreciate it,
gotta
guys.
support.
There you go.
Thanks for coming, man.
No problem, man. No problem.
Tap it in. Oh, you said it was VR6 and that was a nightmare.
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Good to meet you guys.